You open a website and you start scrolling, and after a few seconds you're still not sure what the product is or what you're supposed to do next. That happens more often than people think because the page does not explain things in a simple way, so people leave. This video is about how to avoid that, how to turn your product idea into a landing page that's easy to understand and easy to act on. This is the prompt I will use. I want this agent to handle landing page copy end to end. If I only give it the product, the audience and the goal, it should build a full page for me that includes headline, value, benefits, call to actions, basically everything. And if I already have a landing page, I want it to first show me what's unclear or weak in the same brand tone, but clearer and more convincing. Let's see. So now our AI landing page conversion optimizer is ready. Let's try it. Now let's take a look at the settings. So we have the name of the AI agent, the description, the AI model which was automatically selected. You can select another one from the ones available on the platform if you want. This one was selected based on our request. The AI agent instructions, which are more complex than the prompt that I have used. You can also change this one. The visibility, private or public, and also the deep agent mode. Now let's go back to the chat section. So let's say that I'm working for a landing page for Cubeo AI. This platform helps marketers and small teams build AI agents. And what I want is a high converting landing page for this product using these sections. Okay, and also a simple layout structure. So now our landing page copy is ready. Let's take a look at it. We have the headline, the sub-headline, the value proposition, that is to stop spending hours on repetitive marketing tasks. Okay, also the key benefits and social proof strategy with an example, a real example. Okay, 3 call to actions, layout recommendations, different sections. Also conversion psychology elements that have been used to create this layout and optional enhancements. So this is all, and what you have to do is to continue the conversation and make sure to add your own perspective based on your needs. And remember that the goal isn't to push people, it's to explain things clearly enough that the right people feel comfortable moving forward. So when a page does that, decisions happen naturally. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more marketing tutorials.